All right, so cool. We're starting to get a better look here at the ConRAC building now that they have some of the fencing off, and then there's also a pathway here for bicycles and probably some pedestrian access. And here you can see the pathway for kind of a bicycle path leading up to La Cienega. You can see lines travel across the driveway here at Arco and then lead you up here to Aviation. Aviation is closed right now, so it's closed. Sorry, Arbor Vitae is closed going through Aviation. You can see some of the repavement on the roadway through Arbor Vitae and landscaping. You can see the roadway here on Aviation has been, I believe, widened. At the very least, it's going to be resurfaced, so this is going to be really nice. If you're familiar driving through here, it's been overdue for a pavement upgrade. It looks like they've redone the curbs, and then at some stage, either some type of pavement, either asphalt or concrete, probably asphalt. This will be part of the ground transportation hub, ITF East. This won't be Uber. ITF West will have Uber and Lyft and those rideshare programs. But yeah, over here next to the West End, where we got a jet flowing in. And with the recent rains, it's got a little bit of water that's holding some puddles. The ITF East, I believe, is mostly complete. There could be some more hardscaping going on around the surrounding area of it, but I know they got to get these transportation hubs going. And I know on the ITF West, I think they're trying to get Avis out of there pretty soon so they can start clearing everything out, bulldozing, and then repaving and doing all they need to do for that structure for transportation coming and going through. Still a ways to go. Looks pretty good overall. Another staging area. It looks like a bunch of light poles. And then at this intersection of Arbor Vitae and Aviation, putting in some new traffic lights. Well, this area has been in need of some revitalization, so it's going to be nice to see this place pretty much look brand new again, if you're familiar with how this place has looked in the past. More all new roadway, Arbor Vitae, and it'll be that way, hopefully. Well, it's going to kind of suck for me, but probably eventually coming up there towards La Cienega, they're going to do road work there, and it may be closed off, over by Shakey's Pizza up to La Cienega. We'll see.